Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can add patterns to clothes and create mockups very easily. So let's get started. So first of all, I have already opened an image. So I will select this shirt using the quick selection tool. You can use any selection tool that you feel comfortable with. Now using the polygonal lasso tool and add property, I'm going to add this particular area like this. Now I'm going to press Ctrl J, and if you are using Mac then Command J pardon me. That will make a duplicate of the selection that we just made. So now we can choose our pattern. Simply place the pattern over the object and make sure that it covers all the area of the object. Now right click on the layer and create clipping mask. But if you see closely, this isn't looking realistic. So for that we can simply change the blending mode to multiply. Again, we can also check with linear burn, but it is looking slightly different color. If we compare with this original color, it is looking slightly different. So I will go with multiply. But to make it more realistic, we can duplicate this shirt layer by pressing Ctrl J or Command J. Now I'm going to place it on top of the layer. Right click, create clipping mask. Now again we need to create this also, create clipping mask, but we cannot see anything because this layer is on top. But if we change the blending option to multiply, then we will get the desired result. So we can see it is looking much more realistic as compared to the earlier state. Now if I close this one or turn off this one, then you can see the difference. This is giving us more details as compared to this one, like so. So this is how we can create, or rather easily create, cloth mockups by adding patterns to clothes. And we can try different clothes, and if you want to change the design or slightly turn the design around, we can rotate, resize the design, and we can play around with the design like so. So give it a go and let me know in the comment section how it goes. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.